Trispecific antibodies have great potential, but the landscape has gotten incredibly complex the past few years. We already have multiple bispecific antibodies targeting CD20, now targeting CD19. There are a few others that are coming that are targeting different B-cell antigens. And so trispecifics are not coming into a field where it's wide open and they don't have to kind of fit into somebody else's wake. They have to find a way to fit into the algorithm that's already gotten quite complicated. So trispecifics may be advantageous, but are they advantageous enough that makes up for the complicated landscape? Still to be determined. And I think what's likely to happen, at least initially in trials for bispecifics, is that patients will have been treated with, for trispecifics. What's initially likely to happen is that they will have to be in patients who've already had a prior CAR T cell or a prior bispecific antibody. And it may be difficult to treat patients who are naive to either CAR or bispecific on studies with trispecifics, just because those are more mature and have more of a track record. So trispecifics have a steeper hill to climb just because they're coming late to the game.